Quora is an online community of people providing answers to questions. People from around the world visit Quora to ask questions from a community of people who answer them. Hi all, welcome you to another exciting video on our channel, and in this video we will talk about Quora, like what is Quora, some tips and tricks to answer on Quora, and how to create your own space on Quora. So without further ado, let's get started. In this video, we will learn about what is Quora, how to build your profile on Quora, do's and don'ts while answering on Quora. So let's get started. Well, everyone wants to pay as little as possible to generate traffic for their website. So here's how you can drive a lot of traffic to your website using Quora. You may not have heard or come across this website or may have heard about Quora, but it is the internet's best kept secret. Now the question arises, what Quora is? Quora is a platform where people come and ask questions and many other people reply to their questions. Quora has about 200 million unique visitors per month to generate a lot of traffic from Quora to your website. For getting started first, you need to have an account on Quora and then pick up a niche. So this will be the interface of Quora when you log in, and here we have our tabs: Home, Following, Answer, Spaces, and you can see all the notifications here. So as we click on Home, here you can ask questions related to any topics. Also, here you can search any keywords which are related to your niche. If you want traffic on your website, you must answer that particular space related to your niche. For example, I enter a keyword here for search engine optimization. Click on the desired space from the options. As you can see, this space has 1.3 million followers, so that you can get a lot of traffic. If you build your profile in this space, you can get many views and upvotes from here. But for that, you have to be active in that particular space, and you should choose topics and questions strategically for that. Every space has these three sections: read, answer, and most viewed writers. Let's take a look at the most viewed writers of this space. You can see that quality matters more than quantity. These are the most viewed writers in this space. Here you can see some people have given only 14 answers and they are on a high rank than the people who has given 100 plus answers. Some of them have also answered 1000 plus questions. So it depends upon the quality of your answers, like how helpful and informative your answer is. Moving on to the answers tab. Here we will pick a question, as I am picking this one. So while answering, most people make a mistake. They just search questions of their niche and they pick up from the first 4 to 5 questions from the start. But what you need to do is look for a question that has a maximum number of the following, which has been asked recently in the past few hours or weeks. Always answer in a way that looks attractive to the reader. Never use a simple format, and never make your answers too long because no one will read the whole answer, and highlight important parts. Use attributes and other attractive elements to make your answers as catchy as possible. So let me show you an answer from my content. So here it is. This is how you can write an attractive answer. I have highlighted the headlines and you can use relevant images and videos. These are the ways by which your answer will look more catchy. Once you build your profile on Quora, you can embed the link to your website. So whenever it gets clicked, you will get traffic to your website. So let's pick up another keyword. Let's take digital marketing. Here you will get questions related to digital marketing. So we can see here there are 901 followers on this question, and this one has more than 1k. So these kind of questions are more likely to get more views and upvotes, which will help to build your profile. Try to answer these type of questions more, but do remember one thing: these questions can be a month or a year older. So for this, you can use this filter. It depends on you which filter you want to use. We have various options here, like old time, past hour, past day, past week, and others. I will go with the past week. You can see these are the questions that were asked in the past week. So you can pick any question from here and start answering. I have selected the question. Always keep these things in mind. By using text, only your answers will not get more upvotes. Try to make it attractive, highlight the main points, add images, use infographics. You can even embed videos. So this is how you can build your profile on Quora. You can even create your own space and try to grow that. For creating a space, you just need to go on your profile. You can see all those things like how many content views I have, 15.4k for this month. For creating a space, you just need to click on this plus button, type a name and description, and your space will be created. If you get 50 followers in your space, you will be able to unlock your Quora Spectrum. So this is how you can build your profile on Quora. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, hit like, share and subscribe to our channel. And if you want to know about off-page SEO techniques, you can watch our previous video. The link is in the description box below.